Hey guys, it's Mike with All American Pressure Cleaning in Savannah, Georgia. I wanted to talk today about the service you offer and if you are really clear on what that service is. Now stop and think before you answer. I know it sounds like a crazy question. I'm not talking about washing the house or cleaning a window. I'm talking about what it is that differentiates you from your competition. Not talking about price, not talking about a truck wrap, not talking about how nice your trailer is. I'm talking about what is the service proposition that you offer that makes you stand above and beyond everybody else these people may be calling for a quote. Think about it. Okay, so what I have found is most customers don't care about the intricacies of your process. They don't care what your formulation is in your chemical mix. They don't care about your soft wash machine, whether it's an air compressor, whether it's a 12-volt pump. They don't care. What they want is the job done right. They want to feel like they're getting value for their money. And most importantly, and what I have strived for years to do, is make the transaction as easy as possible, from the initial quote to the service to the follow-up to the invoicing. Every aspect I try to streamline and make it as easy for the customer as possible. Think about that. Think about what you're doing to make your process easier for your customer. Again, I think this is an integral part of the business. I think that anybody, including your competitors, can go out and wash a house. There's nothing special. This isn't rocket science. We're cleaning houses. The difference is your ability to differentiate yourself, to set yourself above and beyond everybody else because of what you offer, and that's not rinsing a house. My 2 cents. Hope that was helpful. Hopefully it will make you think a little bit. I will talk with you later, guys.